If you're considering trying out Primal Life Organics, there are a few things you need to know before you make your purchase. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 key factors that will help you make an informed decision, especially if you're comparing it to other natural skincare brands. So stick around till the end, and I'll even share how you can try Primal Life Organics for free through an exclusive offer. First off, what sets Primal Life Organics apart from its competitors is its commitment to pure organic ingredients. Unlike many skincare brands that use synthetic chemicals or fillers, Primal Life Organics prides itself on formulating products that are free from toxins and artificial additives. If you're someone who's health conscious and cares about what you put on your skin, this is a huge selling point. You'll find that the ingredients are natural, and many are sourced from small, sustainable farms. Next thing to consider is the range of products they offer. Whether you're looking for skincare, hair care, or oral health products, Primal Life Organics has a comprehensive collection. One of their standout products is the Dirty Face Scrub, which combines activated charcoal, clay, and essential oils for a deeply cleansing experience. If you're used to other brands that offer similar products, you might find that Primal Life Organics formulas feel gentler on the skin and leave it feeling truly nourished, not stripped or dried out. The third thing to keep in mind is the brand's approach to sustainability. In today's market, consumers are more conscious than ever about the environmental impact of their purchases. Primal Life Organics is known for using eco-friendly packaging and focusing on reducing waste. Their commitment to sustainability isn't just a marketing tactic. It's part of their core values, which makes it a great choice for those who want to make an environmentally responsible purchase. The fourth thing to highlight is the price point. Many people might be hesitant because natural, organic skincare often comes with a higher price tag. However, Primal Life Organics provides solid value for money. When you compare the quality of the ingredients and the results you get from the products, the price is actually quite reasonable, especially when compared to high-end competitors in the market. Plus, you often get a good amount of product, meaning it lasts longer, which adds to the overall value. Another key point to mention is how effective the products are. I've personally tried several products from Primal Life Organics, and I've been impressed by how well they work. For instance, the beard oil provides moisture and shine without leaving a greasy residue, and the sunburn relief lotion worked wonders after I spent too much time outdoors. In my experience, Primal Life Organics offers products that actually deliver on their promises, unlike some other brands that fall short when it comes to results. Next, let's talk about their customer service and company reputation. Primal Life Organics has received positive feedback from customers across the board for both the quality of their products and their customer service. They offer a satisfaction guarantee, and it's clear they genuinely care about their customers. Many competing companies could learn a thing or two from how well Primal Life Organics handles customer inquiries and issues. And lastly, one of the best perks is that they offer a free trial. If you're unsure whether Primal Life Organics is right for you, you can actually try their products for free. This is a rare offer in the world of skincare, and it gives you a chance to see if their products live up to the hype without committing right away. Just click the first link in the description to access this exclusive offer and get your free trial. So, to wrap it up, if you're ready to try out Primal Life Organics for yourself and experience the difference in quality and sustainability, make sure you click the first link below to access the best offer available, including a free trial and exclusive benefits. Don't wait. See why so many people are choosing Primal Life Organics today.